Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a checkout page in Webflow. So creating a checkout page in Webflow is a great way to streamline your e-commerce process. And in this video, I'm going to give a simple step-to-step guide, to guide just to get started. So let's start with signing up for Webflow. So if you don't already have an account, you can simply sign up on the Webflow, and if you have an account, just simply log into your account. Then after that, select the templates that suits your e-commerce needs. So Webflow offer a varieties of customizable templates. So go to the product section in your Webflow dashboard and start adding your product, including details, descriptions, prices, and high quality image. And after that, in the Webflow editor, create a new page and name it checkout. So you use the drag and drop interface to add elements like text field, button, and payment option. Once that is done, connect your preferred payment gateway such as Stripe or PayPal to accept payment from your customers. And also you can also do this by adding this payment gateway embedded code to your checkout page. And that's a simple guide to create a checkout page in Webflow. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more content like this. Thank you.